Hey everybody, welcome back. This will be my last update from LaPosa South LTVA in Quartzsite, Arizona. I'm going to be moving north, and I'm going to show you guys my favorite camping spot when I leave here. They're looking to the south, or the east-southeast right now. You can see that LaPosa South is fast turning into a ghost town here. Very few people left here. Pretty quiet, pretty relaxing. Not near as much dust as it is in the height of the season, which is always good. Beautiful day out here. Low 70s today, I believe. Yeah, just gorgeous out. Been flying the drone today and talking to friends, and haven't made a video in a couple days here. I've been nursing a sprained ankle. I actually had an embarrassing moment and fell out of my motorhome, so twisted it pretty good, so it's sprained, but I'm coming along nice. It's nothing I need to go to the hospital for, just stay off it, ice it, take some ibuprofen, and I'll be good. But you can see there's a few rigs that are out here are scattered out pretty good. As you can see, turning back to the west now here. West, northwest. And some of the rigs you've seen before on here. Some of the long-term dedicated people here. I've really enjoyed it at LaPosa South. It's been a good time. I've made a lot of friends here. Met a lot of great people. And wonderful people in the RV community and in the nomadic community, van community, schoolie community. Definitely wouldn't be upset if you came here. Most people would have a good time. If you don't like the desert, of course you wouldn't. You see, it got into a little bit of wind. You can see the rotor up in the right-hand corner up there. That's because kind of fighting the wind a little bit. But like I said before, I've got these speed props on this drone that help stabilize it during the wind. But you'll see the props when I've got the camera facing forward. Down there you can see pointed that out before, right bottom of the screen there. That's the maintenance shop for the LTVAs. They keep some of their heavy equipment and supplies for doing different repairs and working on the bathrooms, things like that. Straight ahead in the center of the screen there, to the left is the water and dump station. To the right you'll see two blue things there. Those are the dumpsters. And you can drive up on that bermed hill and throw your garbage off or stop alongside it and throw it over the edge. Further up, about halfway between the mountain and us there's another little station there that is for blue boy dumping. And you can see the dumpsters now in view there, the blue. And you can see the line for the dump stations isn't nearly as long as it is during the height of the season. There's only 2 in line. I've seen that be a 2-hour line before, and sometimes even worse than that. But probably maybe 20-minute wait to dump right now. But as you can see, even off to the left over here, this was packed before. Just rig on top of rig on top of rig, and you can see now that they've thinned out quite a bit. Just a beautiful day, as you can see. I'm going to be having a few more travel videos up, so during my day, my travels up to up north, and a couple places I'm looking at are Valley of Fire, Zion and the Grand Canyon, and some of the surrounding areas. And I'll be sure to film all my campsites, the BLM ones, the National Forest ones, things like that. And I'll also provide GPS coordinates for if you're interested in camping those locations, so you can save those and put a pin on your maps. It sure has been fun here, though. Sophie's really enjoyed it, even though she got sick. She's update on that. She's feeling a lot better, almost 100%. She did have a few coughs the other day, but so did I. I think it's from the pollen in the air. The pollen count's really high, and there was some dust and everything, and it's be expected anywhere in the pollen and everything. But really enjoyed my time here. Can't say enough. People have been really nice. And if you're wondering what the date is, it's February 23rd. So tomorrow morning I'll be leaving. I've got a bunch of chores to do, laundry and gassing up and finish packing up, and I'll be on my way up north. And Thursday I should arrive at the next campsite with one overnight stay in Havasu, and I'll try to get some video of those stops along the way and of the new campsite. I think you're really going to enjoy the campsite. It's one of the most beautiful BLM areas I've camped at, and be sure to check back for that. It's like I said, it's my favorite. And we're back to the west here, and just kind of hovering for a second, give you one last look around LaPosa South LTVA Quartzsite, Arizona, February 23rd, 2021. And I'm not going to be back here probably for about 10 or 11 months here. I'm looking at probably the first week in January next year getting back, tentatively. But as a nomad, plans change, and could be sooner, could be later. Depends on what I run into. But whatever I do run into, I'll bring you with me and kind of show you around. But I plan to get out of here before the monsoons start, which is typically March, you know, so. And there's some things I want to do on my way back. I confirmed my my work camping job last week, so I'll be driving truck for 5 months from May through September. Maybe a little bit longer. It all depends on how things go. But I'm also going to take you with on that. And I've been thinking about doing a live feed, so let me know what you think about a live feed. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I thank all of you for coming along with me on my journey this year. Have a great day.